Hello, this is Mr. Kent of MrKent.com, and if you've been watching my videos lately, I'm kind of obsessed with being able to drop a glider from my Mavic and let it fly to the ground gently. And I started out with this, even though it's all crooked and everything, it flies great after I worked on it and worked on it. But it's so small that you can't see it when you drop it, or you can't get a good video of it. So, excuse me. So that idea went away, and then I made this fuselage, and I put these wings on it, and as you can see, it crashed a lot. But anyway, it worked. There was a very fine line between nose diving, because it was nose heavy, and going into a flat spin because it was balanced, but there just wasn't, I don't think there was enough wing surface. So that idea went out. So over the last few days, I've been working on a different design, and this is it. Now, I should have used a made a broader wing, but I was trying to be something similar to this plane, so I used the narrow wing, and I could have made it broader, but I just wasn't thinking straight. So this one, I used every inch of pop can that I could to make these new wings, and they've got a nice curve to them. They haven't been crashed yet, and so that should work pretty well. And then in the process of learning, I set it up so that the center of balance is where it's supposed to be to begin with. And so you can tell whether it's if it's balanced on the wings like that, you've got the center of balance about right. And I can adjust it by pulling this in and out. So I won't have to worry so much about that. And then because I've got broader wings, I've got more wing surface, and it should, rather than going into a flat spin, it should glide more. Plus I've added this. This paper's on here because I'm hoping it flies, and if it happens to fly away, then I got all my phone number and email address and all that kind of stuff. So anyway, that's what, and this will give it more gliding surface too. That's why I added that. And in fact, that's the only place on the whole plane where you can see that it's a pop can. But anyway, that should give plenty of gliding surface. This will also help maintain squareness with the wing. And then one thing that I shouldn't have done maybe, but anyway, before I made the new wings, I thought I got to get rid of some weight. So on the back, I trimmed off the back of the vertical stabilizers, but I think probably they should still work. If not, I'll just make a new one of these because I got extra pop cans. Anyway, so I'll be going to the park and trying this tomorrow. And so the rest of the video is going to be the results of whether or not this flies or crashes. All right? So let's go to the park. Where'd it go?